Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about how to purchase designer goods overseas and save some money. Okay, so I bought a bunch of designer things while I was in Germany and all over Europe actually, and I saved a lot of money. I saved so much money. It was shocking. So I got this, I kind of went a little crazy when I was overseas. I bought my Chanel. Always wanted a Chanel handbag. I didn't know what color, but I knew I wanted like something classic. So I got the Chanel right here. The Chanel Jumbo in the medium size, and I saved over $1,000. So I definitely feel like if you are going overseas, or if you're a traveler or plan on traveling in your life and you want to buy a designer bag and you're in the States, I think it's best to buy overseas. I got to save 19% because of the military, but all other tourist people, I think it's like anywhere from 9 to 12%. And with the euro and dollar exchange, depending on when you buy it, you even save a little bit more compared to the US sizes. The US prices. Oh God, I'm trying to like get better with this YouTube thing, and yeah, I know my videos are trash, but I'm working on it, you know? Alright, so you get the handbag. I had to get a letter to get 19%, but it comes with this handbook when you get the handbag, and I think it's just how your handbag was constructed. Like, I don't really care about that stuff, but maybe one day I'll look at it. And I think you get this cloth. I think it's used like like a cleansing cloth. Gosh, the focus is rough on this. I'm using my phone to film, you know, so. Get that, you get all the nice wrapping. I think this was one of the receipts I got. And I'm sorry, I don't think you guys can see very well. That's better. Okay, that's a lot better. I don't know why I didn't do it like that. But yeah, this is one of the other receipts you get. It doesn't really matter. And then you get the DOS bag. Right here. And this is just information about the handbag with the receipt, the actual form of receipt. Right here. Oh, I don't think you guys can see it. I'm sorry. I'm working on this. So basically the handbag back in 2016 cost 4,750 euro, and I saved 758 euro. So I bought it during the summer months, so exchange to dollar is over 1,000 or whatever. So it's very exciting, and this handbag is one of those that you save money. So let me just be clear here. This handbag is a medium. It's lambskin with gold hardware. You get like the little receipt that gives you all the information on it. You get another receipt of your VAT. So lots of receipts, lots of receipts. And the handbag is boom! Yes, I love this handbag. I've actually worn it and dressed in my gym clothes, and it still look good. I don't know, something about this and some tights and some like t-shirt or whatever. Oh, graphic tee and a denim jacket just goes amazing. I really like it. So I know you guys have seen so many of these unboxing, but you know, of course I have to share my excitement. Let me know, comment down below if you want to see like my handbag collection. I went really crazy overseas, so hopefully you guys are interested, and I'll definitely show you guys, especially saving money. Oh, look. I'm very excited about it. I can't wait to rock this. I am moving to Florida, and I can't wait to wear this handbag. I think this is like where you put, like, where she used to put her love letters. Don't quote me. But at the end of the day, I really don't give a shit. I just like the fact that I got this bag. It's a classical piece. I would never, it's a classic. Like, I would never sell it, at least that's what I say now. And also, I don't know if I will buy another Chanel handbag. I say right now I need to get my priorities together. But Chanel is a bad habit, and yeah, there's other things to do with money in life than buy all designer goods. I like it, but then I don't want to go overboard with it. I'm definitely gonna get my money's worth. I'm a little rough, so I think this type of leather works for me, the lambskin. I think there's another one that's a little bit more, how you say this? It's a little bit more delicate, and that wouldn't work for me. So definitely this bad boy right here. I love this handbag. And also let me know if you're interested in seeing my lookbook. My fashion sense, like I'm trying to discover like what I like fashion wise. I love fashion, but girl, like, man, I cannot put an outfit together and make something yet. You know, I'm definitely working on that. Like, I have ideas, but being in boots and uniform for the past years, like I feel like I don't know how to dress anymore. So I definitely want to find my style. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'm trying to keep my videos under 10 minutes and a lot more creative than this. But for right now, I'm transitioning, I'm moving. So I just want to start posting so I can get a little bit more comfortable around the camera. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate this, and I will see you guys later. Also comment, like, share. All criticisms are allowed. Hell, I can learn whatever from the haters. So I don't even have haters, I don't think I do, which is great. Yeah, so definitely let's make this a community. I have a lot more to come. Like, I want to do videos about nutrition, fitness, exercise, naturopathic medicine. Those are really my interests. Nursing school, you know, things with nursing, you know, depression, anxiety, like how to overcome, you know, obstacles, and how to tell people to go fuck themselves and move on in life and be great and be your best self. I'm definitely in the process of unfucking my life, because I was just like, I have to do better. I have to, you know, get to another level in my life, because what I've been doing hasn't worked for me, and if I continue on, it's definitely gonna crash. So let me know definitely what kind of videos you want to see. Only gonna be true to what I feel like I can talk about. So yeah, thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later. Mwah.